5 best long-nosed pliers. Here is the product number 5. RDEER 6/150 millimeters. Brand name, RDEER. Model number, 86 to 1346. Plier style, German. Material, carbon steel. Application, multifunctional. Type, long nose. The DIY supplies, electrical. Is _customized, yes. Handle style, bent. Features, multifunctional. No. Here is the product number 4. Metal long needle nose. Brand new, high quality. The tool is mainly used to assemble metal puzzle model. To be made from carbon steel. Can be used in many ways, mostly side diagonal cutting. Can be used in metal puzzle modeling / jewelry / wire DIY fix making work. Here is the product number 3. RDEER needle. Brand name, RDEER. Material, carbon steel. Application, multifunctional. Type, long nose. The DIY supplies, electrical. Is _customized, yes. Model number, 95 to 1505. Plier style, European. Features, mini. Handle style, bent. Here is the product number 2. WORKPRO 07PC Electrician. Brand name, WORKPRO. Model number, W00130068. Material, carbon steel. Features, insulated. Type, long nose. The DIY supplies, electrical. Plier style, American. Is _customized, yes. Handle style, straight. Application, cutting. Here is the product number 1. RDEER 6/150 millimeters. Brand name, RDEER. Model number, 86 to 1346. Plier style, German. Material, carbon steel. Application, multifunctional. Type, long nose. The DIY supplies, electrical. Is _customized, yes. Handle style, bent. Features, multifunctional.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.